Hey everyone, welcome back to your Clean Start. Today I am showing you my 5-minute kitchen maintenance routine. So these are the exact steps that I take in my kitchen every morning to keep me feeling calmer and to just keep things feeling under control before the day gets really busy and out of control. So this is not a deep cleaning. This is just a fast, simple way to help me stay ahead of the mess without feeling overwhelmed. So I'll walk you through each step and just explain what I'm doing and why it works so well. So let's jump in. Every morning I start my day by making my bed and drinking some water, taking my pills that I need to take for the day. And then I always unload the dishwasher from last night. So typically before I go to bed, I will start whatever is in the dishwasher. If there's only a couple of things, however, I might hold off until later the next day. But this morning I am unloading the dishwasher there. I'm kind of stacking things as I go because I kind of have like a flow about my day. I put some glasses in the freezer so I can have a nice chilled beverage after work. Just putting some plasticware away up in that cupboard there. And I can see that I've got like my bowls stacked, my plates stacked, and then the rack of silverware kind of sitting out. So just putting away the dishes real quick because that way I can keep my countertops clean and organized. I don't have a bunch of clutter everywhere. Hopefully that's always the goal because I don't have a extra large kitchen space, so I have to really make good use of the space that I have. I always like to, if I have the time, to go ahead and just dry up my silverware because I'm polishing it at the same time, getting any water stains from the dishwasher because sometimes that can just happen. And I feel like I like my dishes better when they're put away and dried and polished, and then I know it's clean and ready to go when I need to use them. So I am gonna just hang up that towel really quick. And then I had a couple more dishes just in the sink. So I'm gonna just rinse those off really quick, pop those in the dishwasher. No, I will not run it because I've only put a few things in the dishwasher on this particular morning. So I'll just leave those there in the dishwasher. And then when I come home and make meals and clean up from my dinner prep, then I can go ahead and load that up at that time. But I like to rinse out the sink really quick just to make sure I'm not leaving any scraps of food or remnants that are going to, create like an odor and a smell in the kitchen, but also by wiping up the crumbs like I am right now and getting any crumbs out of the sink, I am making it so I'm not attracting any insects or bugs, especially if it is insect season. And then I go ahead and just finish up that morning routine by filling up my water pitcher that I'm going to go ahead and water my plants and start my day. So that's it. In just 5 minutes every morning, you can really set the tone of your home and make it a welcoming space to return to after a full day of work. So just start doing this every morning and you are likely going to feel less stressed through the day, more in control, and more confident about coming home to a clean home. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our 21-day Couch to Clean challenge to help you maintain your home and keep a cleaner space in as little as 5 minutes every day. Thanks for watching.